Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of watch GT4. This is basically a copy version of Huawei watch GT4 that comes with the AMOLED display. You can purchase this watch on AliExpress. Link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing. He's one of the best sellers on AliExpress. So as you can see on the back side we have a name, and on the front we have watch design, and as you can see it comes with an AMOLED display. So let me peel the plastic off and let's see what's inside the box. So I ordered this in a brown leather version. You can order it in different colors like black and silver. So as you can see, this is the watch. Let me put that to the side and see what's inside the box. So here we have a charging dock, which is similar to Apple Watch Ultra, as you can see. Let's put that to the side, and we have another box that comes with a free silicone strap, as you can see, blue one, and the one that I ordered is a brown leather version. As you can see, we have a manual guide, user manual, and here's the strap. As you can see, the quality is really amazing. Brown leather version. You can order this in green color as well. It is also a leather version, I believe. So let's check the watch now, and let me peel the plastic off from the back side. So as you can see, we have a round smartwatch, and the build quality is really great, but it's very light compared to Apple Watch Ultra copy clone versions, HK9 Ultra 2 and other smartwatches. Now let's turn on the watch, and it is using 100% real AMOLED display. As you can see, the black colors are pitch black, and you can download application on your iOS and Android device as well. So as you can see, we on the side we have power button and crown key, and on the back side we have different sensors, heart rate monitor. I have already paired this watch with Fit Cloud Pro application, and as you can see we have tons of watch faces that you can download, but only one watch face you can set, and it will replace the old watch face. If you let me just show you. If I download this watch face, and it takes a lot of time to actually download in this one as well compared to HK9 Ultra 2, but they have a lot of watch faces compared to HK9 Ultra 2. So as you can see, and it also comes with the 12-hour format. So as you can see, we have tons of watch faces, guys, if you ask me, compared to HK9 Ultra 2. I wish they also provide us with these type of watch faces. So as you can see, tons of watch faces, which is a great thing in my opinion. And let me go back and show you that it also comes with a 12-hour format. If I go down, as you can see, time format, you can change to 12-hour format. Overall, the watch is really good. The screen is great, as you can see, AMOLED display, and if I swipe down, you can see, as you can see, let me just show you, you have quick settings, and this is a flashlight. As you can see, the bezel size as well. The bezels are thin compared to other round smartwatches. And it also comes with the pre-applied screen protector, matte screen protector. So as you can see, we have different settings. If I swipe down, as you can see, we have notification panel. Swipe left, we have quick action, quick applications, and right, heart rate, sleep tracking, and you can add different application. As you can see, if I click on this, you can add different applications, workout. Here is the menu, and you can also make calls in this smartwatch. And if I go into settings, let me just show you, system, we have different types of settings as well, and you can see dynamic island is also available in this watch. And battery, as you can see, power saving mode. Languages, we have different languages. So there is a reset option as well, and restart option, of course. And you have different types of menu styles as well. This is the first menu style, that is stock. And we have, let me just show you, we have another application, calculator application. And there's the sports mode application. So let me just run this one. Here's the animation. It looks really good in my opinion. You cannot connect your Bluetooth earphones to this watch. And we have different modes, but the crown key, honestly guys, I really don't like the crown key in this one. It's not very smooth compared to other smartwatches. I wish they improve on the crown key. But overall, in this price, I'm not complaining actually, because it comes with an AMOLED, beautiful AMOLED display, as you can see. Now let's see how many watch faces we are getting. So here are the pre-installed watch faces that you cannot actually delete and replace. You can download only one watch face at a time. So this is the stock watch face. As you can see, it's really good. The animation are great. And this is basically a Huawei watch GT4 replica. So overall, the watch is really good. Compared to HK9 Ultra 2, it's your personal opinion that you like round watches, or you like the design of Apple Watch Ultra. So as you can see, wrist to wake feature is also good. So link is in the description guys. If you want to purchase this watch, buy from Zorwing on AliExpress. As I told you previously, he's one of the best sellers on AliExpress. If you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Thank you for watching guys. Allah Hafiz.